So I just wanted to show y'all how I organize my makeup, and yeah, that's basically it. It's just like a nice short video that I can do really quick. And yeah, so here we go. So first off, I'm in my room, so this is just like my nightstand. And I have all of my palettes here, or my smaller palettes. And I have one of my bigger palettes and my two Morphe palettes. And then my highlighters and blushes, foundations, some brushes I don't really use. This is just like random stuff. So I have, oops, some lipsticks and lip glosses. Let's see. Yeah, just like random stuff. And there's no drawer. And then these are the brushes that I use most often, like face brushes and eye brushes. So this is my setup. It's just like on one of the dinner tables and pretty basic, so yeah. Then down here, hold on. Alrighty, I have the lamp just like holding it so y'all can see. So, this is weird. In this bag, I have all my eyeshadow singles. In this bag, I have smaller palettes, like just the quads and everything. And this is my eyeliner bag. So, yeah. So I just have my essentials: eyeliner, mascara, sharpener, and yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you liked this quick video, and yeah, this is just what I have. But this is only in Korea, and then when I get to the States, I'll have a different setup and I can film that. So yeah, bye!